Hello everyone, I am Shubham Deshmukh and I am doing MBA in Operations. So doing MBA is just an addition to the knowledge. In industry you require three things, that are skill, attitude plus knowledge. Attitude plus knowledge you can build in your college and by yourself, but for skills you have to park yourself in the good avenue, and the skill edge is one. So as you know that Excel is a widely used tool in the industry. So for developing skill in the Excel, I choose Excel Edge from Skill Edge. So talking about the content of the course, they keep it so crisp and clean that it kills your boredom, and a summary in last which actually keeps you in sync with the learning. Then the video language was good, the representative seems to be quite calm and composed, and then the video delivery speed is also good. So and the color combination of the website, that it is so fresh that it keeps you in constant mood of learning. The doubt clearing session is the main attraction of this course. The tutor, mentor, whatever you can say, he actually teach you like you are a school going kid, and he's emphasized more on the learning. Like, I just love the doubt clearing sessions. And then the CEC calls, that customer executive check calls. They call you every day for your daily updates and ask for any doubt, which is the main attraction. These are the highlights of this course and the main attraction also. Lastly, I want to say one thing, that it is not about only learning, it is also about the experience while learning, so that you will better recall the things in the future. That's all from my side. Happy learning.